Selockey 2200 model sliding screws installation design lock installation shoes. First of all, remove the screws of the back panel. Separate the back panel and the back installation panel, adjusting the handle for the doors facing. This is the installation panel. It's separate. Do the same process to the front handle. Remove the screws, adjusting the handle. The sliding screw. Install the screw steel and the screws in the front handle. Sliding the installation screw. Because it is sliding screw design, so the screw can be adjusting up and down to fit the hole positioning. Tighten it with the back panel. The back separate installation panel. Those designs can fit different doors hole, no matter the other two holes where it is. They can slide up and down, so the lock can be installed without redrill. Tighten the screw, but not too tight, because you will need to adjust the front handle. Adjusting the front handle, and then tighten it. Tighten it straight. Install the back panel with the two short screws. Tighten the back panel and the back installation panel with two screws. Okay, this is the whole installation process of the S2200 lock. Thank you.